In 1900, physics was supposed to be perfect, and then light refused to follow the rules, and the whole universe cracked open. For over 200 years, physics had been simple. Everything followed strict, predictable laws. Newton's equations explained motion. Maxwell's equations explained light. It was a perfect system. Then it broke. Physicists tried to predict how objects emit light when heated. According to classical physics, the energy should have smoothly increased. But when they crunched the numbers, something impossible happened. At higher temperatures, the equations predicted that objects should emit infinite energy in the ultraviolet frequency, meaning every object in the universe should be glowing with deadly radiation right now. But they weren't. Enter Max Planck. He wasn't trying to overthrow physics, he was simply trying to fix the math. And in 1900, he proposed something radical. Energy doesn't flow smoothly like a wave. It comes in tiny, indivisible packets. He called them quanta. Instead of energy being continuous, it jumped in discrete steps. Planck had no idea what he had just discovered, but this simple fix changed everything. Classical physics had always assumed that reality was smooth and predictable. Max Planck had just shattered that illusion. Planck's discovery was the first crack in the foundations of classical physics. It meant that reality wasn't continuous. It was made of tiny, indivisible units. And if energy wasn't smooth, what about matter? What about time? What about reality itself? The door to the quantum world had just been opened, and once it was, there was no going back. Planck had unknowingly lit the fuse. What came next would change physics forever.